Welcome back to Brave Hub. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of LangChain in under 5 minutes. If you're looking to quickly get started with this powerful tool for building language model applications, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. LangChain is a framework designed to simplify the development of applications powered by large language models, LLMs. It's perfect for creating chatbots, knowledge-based systems, and other AI-driven applications. What makes LangChain stand out is its ability to chain together multiple components, like prompts, memory, and tools, making the development process much more efficient. First things first, let's install LangChain. Open your terminal and run the following command. pip install LangChain. This command will install LangChain and its dependencies. Once that's done, you're ready to start building. Let's create a simple LangChain that combines a prompt with an LLM to generate text. Here's how it's done. In this example, we're creating a LangChain that takes a name as input and generates a short poem about that person using OpenAI's GPT-3. The LangChain object combines the prompt with the LLM, making it easy to generate customized content. One of the powerful features of LangChain is its ability to add memory to your chains, allowing your application to remember context across interactions. Let's see how that works. Here, we're adding simple memory to our LangChain, enabling the application to retain information between runs. This is useful for building more interactive and context-aware applications. LangChain also supports integrating tools like web search, calculators, and databases, making your applications even more powerful. Let's add a simple tool to our chain. In this example, we're using a simple calculator tool within our LangChain. The chain now not only generates text, but can also perform calculations, making it a more versatile solution. And that's a quick overview of LangChain in under 5 minutes. We covered how to install LangChain, create a simple chain, add memory, and integrate tools. LangChain is incredibly powerful, and I encourage you to explore its full capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.